Families of two Seattle crane collapse victims sue companies over a deadly shortcut. Family members of two of the four people killed in the April crane collapse site have filed wrongful death suits against companies involved in crane operations at the South Lake Union construction site. Gusting winds knocked the crane over the afternoon of April 27, after workers prematurely removed pins holding 20-foot sections together, leading to a tragedy that state regulators called totally avoidable. Lawsuits have also been filed by two people who were injured, and Seattle police are continuing to conduct a criminal investigation. The collapse killed two ironworkers working on the crane, as well as Alan Justad, 71, a former city planning official, and Sarah Wong, a 19-year-old Seattle Pacific University student. Justad and Wong's family filed suits in King County Superior Court in late December against Morrow Equipment, GLY Construction, Northwest Tower Crane Service, Omega Morgan, and Seaberg Construction, the five companies responsible for operating and dismantling the crane. The lawsuits seek unspecified damages. The families of the two ironworkers killed in the collapse, Andrew Yoder, 31, of North Bend, and Travis Corbett, 33, have attorneys and are also expected to file suit, according to Todd Gardner, an attorney for Wong's parents. Yoder's and Corbett's families did not return request for comment. Two other people, Sally Bevan and Ali Edris, jointly sued the same five companies in December. Bevan and Edris claimed they were injured as a result of the crane collapse. Edris, 28, was driving Wong and another SPU student in an Uber when the crane fell. He was treated at Harborview for back, neck and hip pain, a hematoma on his leg, anxiety and post-traumatic stress disorder, according to attorneys. The other student managed to escape unharmed, according to an email SPU officials sent to students after the collapse. Bevan, 62, was also driving when a piece of the crane struck the back of her car. She is still being treated for PTSD and memory loss, attorneys said. The South Lake Union construction site, built for a new Google campus, was the largest construction project in the city at the time. The city hadn't witnessed a deadly crane collapse in 13 years, even as Seattle became home to more tower cranes than anywhere in the country. The State Department of Labor and Industries faulted and fined GLY, Northwest Tower Crane and Morrow last autumn for failing to adequately supervise the crane disassembly, train workers and follow manufacturer procedures. Regulators came down hardest on Morrow, with a $70,000 fine for a willful serious violation, indicating it ignored a legal requirement or was indifferent to employee safety. Northwest Tower Crane declined to comment. Morrow did not return request for comment. GLY CEO Todd Herb said in a statement, "For more on this story, visit the news article link."